Hey guys, today we're tackling one of the toughest VPN topics, which VPN actually works in China in 2025. The Great Firewall of China is one of the most advanced internet censorship systems in the world. Not every VPN can bypass it, but there are still a few that reliably work, and NordVPN remains one of the best options if you need secure access inside China. Let's break it all down. Why VPNs fail in China? China uses multiple layers of censorship and VPN blocking technology. Deep Packet Inspection, DPI, IP blocking of known VPN servers. DNS poisoning traffic shaping blocking. OpenVPN and standard VPN protocols. That's why most free VPN, and even many paid services, simply don't work reliably in China. How NordVPN bypasses the Great Firewall. NordVPN has built-in technology specifically designed to handle strict censorship environments like China. Obfuscated servers. These disguise VPN traffic as regular HTTPS traffic to avoid detection by DPI. NordLynx protocol. Faster, more efficient than OpenVPN, and harder for firewalls to detect. Private DNS and DNS leak protection prevents DNS leaks that could expose your real IP address. No logs in Panama jurisdiction keeps your activity fully private even if accessed from inside China. Double VPN adds extra encryption layers for maximum privacy. This combination allows NordVPN to remain one of the few VPNs that consistently works from inside mainland China. Setup steps for China. 1. Download and install NordVPN before traveling to China. The website may be blocked once you're inside. Enable obfuscated servers in the app's advanced settings. 3. Use NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP protocol. Connect to servers in Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, or the US West Coast for fastest access. Always keep threat protection enabled to block any malicious content. Streaming access inside China. Once connected, NordVPN allows you to access blocked platforms like Google, YouTube, Netflix, US, Japan, UK, Facebook and Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, Gmail, and Western news websites. This makes NordVPN ideal not only for business travelers, but also for expats, students, and tourists visiting China. Pricing and bonuses. Right now, you can save up to 76% off on the 2-year plan. Only $3.39 per month. You also get free Saily eSIM with up to 10 gigabytes mobile data. Full Threat Protection Pro, 10 simultaneous device connections. 30-day money-back guarantee, my verdict. If you're looking for a VPN that still reliably works inside China in 2025, NordVPN remains one of the strongest choices. Its combination of obfuscation, speed, streaming access, and privacy protection gives you safe, unrestricted internet access even behind the Great Firewall. Full NordVPN deal link is right below, plus bonus details in the pinned comment. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other VPN travel guides right here on VPN Unlocked.